and gentlemen, is just gather a few customers. You might say, well, that's a financial no-brainer. How do I get started in this company? Well, it's real simple. We all start for a sign-up fee of $150, roughly. They call it $149 and some change. I say $150. And there's a $19.95 a month fee. That's for your website fee. So basically, you'll get started for about $169. And now here's the power of what I'm going to share with you. This is why this is so powerful. And I want you to pay very close attention, because the power is in what I'm about to share with you right now. As you go out and give the app out, and people will come and we tell everybody, listen, you can go out and share with these individuals and have 10 people. In fact, one gentleman said yesterday when he gave the person the app, the guy immediately ripped out his credit card. He says, you know what, if you got an additional service that I can not only call app to app for free, but if I can call anyone anywhere in the world and make calls on this and it's not going to appear on my current phone bill, he says, hey, listen, sign me up. He said it's $49.90. I can call 40-plus countries, basically just making unlimited calls. But on top of that, I can call anywhere in the world, and if I'm not calling those 40 countries, it's going to give me a $50 credit to do that. Definitely, I want to do it. It just made sense to him. So you can either have individuals that will purchase the service right away, or perhaps, as we do, we give out promotional trials for people. Why do we do that? Because we know that when someone gets on this service, ladies and gentlemen, when someone gets on the service and they start talking app to app for free, they cannot stop. And the company says, listen, if you do that, if you have 10 VoIP customers, you got 10 in your first day, first month, first 3 months, it doesn't matter. But you want to get to the 10 very quickly. Why do you want to do that? Because as soon as you have that 10th one out there, it now upgrades you to what we call an Ad Central Family Plus for the first 30 days after you've got your 10th customer. And they're going to now pay you an additional $100 a week just for posting ads to get more customers. They're helping you to grow your business. I mean, this is absolutely huge. And, you know, when you get the 10 customer points, guys, listen, we're not talking about just 10 separate people signing on the service, because you can have one person that may want to get our MFA product. That's a customer point. You have another person that maybe want to just get the VoIP product. That's another customer point. We have another person that may want to get our new coffee or our teas that are coming out. They count as customer points. So you can literally talk to a couple people and end up with 10 customer points. That's how powerful this is. But here's what I want you to understand. After your first 30 days, the company wants to continue to pay you to help you grow your business. So if you have just 5 customer points, that's it, just 5 services that are being purchased, they're going to continue to pay you, ladies and gentlemen, $50 a week. Or if you share this with 2 individuals that have wanted to join the business, they became promoters, and you have just 2 customers on the service and each of them have 2 customers on the service, you still will earn the same $50 a week to help you post ads. And what are you doing? You're building your business, because that's what the ads are designed to get you more customers. And on top of just getting paid to post ads, you're now earning additional income, ladies and gentlemen, off of the customers every single month. But we're not done. Just do simple math. You have a contract that lasts up to 52 weeks. So imagine in this contract you can earn up to $2,800 plus the additional income from customers just at this point. But we share with everybody, guys, you don't want to stop here. See, it opens up an incredible income window for all of us. There's another thing that they have, and it's called, of course, we call it the Ad Central Family Plus. To remain at an Ad Central Family Plus, if you share this with 2 people, you have 5 customer points, and both of them have 5 customer points, you'll continue to make $100 a week. So the choice is up to you. Literally, you can make either $50 a week, as we just shown in the previous slides, or you can start making $100 a week by sharing this with 2 people, you having 5 customer points, and each of them having 5 customer points. And that allows you to earn up to $5,600, guys, for the year. It's absolutely amazing. See, either way, it's designed to help you get weekly income as you grow your business. But did you know that as you go out and share this with people, the company's going to pay you more money? You see, as you share this with your first person, they're going to pay you a $100 direct bonus. If you turn around and share it with the second person, you're going to get now another $100 direct bonus. And if you do this within your first 30 days, the company's going to pay you an additional $100 fast start bonus. But guys, this is the start of it. This is starting something that we are, as we look at in the industry, we say you get paid for what you start, because as other people start to duplicate and share this with other people, how many people would like to get paid from a company that has an app that is literally going worldwide at a phenomenal rate, being spread virally? Everybody would. So here's what we know. Here's the power of this. By sharing this with two people, guys, not only did you make $300 in your first 30 days, but remember, they're paying you an additional $100 a week just to post ads to get more customers. So with just sharing this with two, you'd have earned over $700. But here's where the math changes. They have something called a binary compensation plan. This is so powerful, ladies and gentlemen, that when you share this with those first two, you have the computer will automatically put one person and assign them to your left team. The next person that you sign up is going to assign them to your right team. And now as you or any of those people, the person on the left or the person on the right, as they start to share it with other people, every time the computer sees a new sale on your left and a new sale on your right, each person coming in, triggering those 10 customer points, it's going to pay you an additional $80 bonus. Now, guys, I want you to think about the power of this. As your team continues to grow, sales are being made from people you don't know. And other sales are being made from additional people that you don't know. The computer knows every time it sees a new sale, no matter who makes it on your left team, and a new sale who makes it on your right team, it's going to pay you an additional $80 bonus up to $15,800 per day. Guys, it's amazing what's happening with this compensation plan. And to earn the additional income from what we call this binary, you only have to have one customer point. You only have to have one customer point to earn the additional income. That means you can earn, ladies and gentlemen, in this compensation plan up to $15,800 a day, and you only have one customer point. Would you be losing a lot of additional income that you should be making? Absolutely. So let's talk about how you can capture all of the income. You know, I want to share this with you. Remember we said if you had your first two sales and you did it within your first 30 days, you would get the extra $100 fast start bonus? But if you go out and share this with 4 people within your first 30 days, they give you an additional $100 fast start bonus plus a $500 builder bonus. So within your first 30 days, ladies and gentlemen, you've made over $1,580 with just sharing this with 4 promoters that each come in gathering 10 customer points very quickly. But we're not done. Remember how we said that's the beginning? Let's say 2 of those went on your left team and 2 of those went on your right team. It's all about the power of 4. You see, if you share this with 3 people, you're going to end up earning the monthly residual income 6 generations deep. If you share it with 4 people, you end up earning the monthly residual income 7 levels deep. But even before we talk about the monthly residual income, I want to share with you right now the power of you just having 5 customers. Remember, you're posting your ads every week to get more customers, and everyone that you bring in, they're doing the exact same thing. So if you have just 5 customers, and let's say you shared it with 4, who shared it with 4, who shared it with 4, 6 generations deep, everyone's just posting their ads every week. Everyone's getting paid the additional money to do what? To gather more customers. And you're earning a $2 commission every week on every single person and every single contract that exists below you. So in this example only, ladies and gentlemen, you see this would be literally over 5 figures. And guys, I want you to think about that. 5 figures of income just from people posting their ads. But do you want to see the real income? It's right here. Remember we said if you had 3 promoters, you'd earn 6 generations deep of residual income off of everyone's customers. But if you have 4 that you personally shared this with, and they shared it with 4, and they shared it with 4, 7 generations deep. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to shock you because some people look at this figure here and you lose them. See, if you never had an income potential of over $285,000, dollars for me to even talk about it, it's going to cause some people, you know how you have that deer in the headlight look? Because we can't see it happening. And so we take it in baby steps. What is our goal? Our goal is to share it with 4 or more people, teach them to do the exact same thing. And you know what? We're looking at mathematics here. See, the world of mathematics is always certain. It does not lie. Mathematics is what it is. So if you shared it with 4, we shared it with 4, you're looking at an example of the income that you would receive just on everyone coming and getting their customers 7 generations deep. But we're not done. Here's where the real power is. If everyone there just kept 5 customers, they came in and they had 10 customer points, only 5 of their customer points, or 5 customers they retained every single month. Guys, I want you to do the math on this. Look what your monthly residual income would be. See, it's phenomenal. But of course, that's a perfect world. We don't live in a perfect world. And that's why we have another income system that is paying you at the same time that you're earning the income off of the customers. And this is what sets us apart from any opportunity in the history of network marketing and relationship marketing that exists. It's a binary compensation plan tied in with a residual unilevel plan that pays both weekly residual income and monthly residual income. Remember we talked about the power of the binary? And let's say you shared this with 4, 2 of them you put on your left team, the other 2 you put on your right team, and they went out and they started to work. The power of the binary is that it does not stop at 7 levels. With the same amount of people that would have triggered the bonuses that we just talked about on the previous slide, the same amount of sales that came in, you would have already earned in the binary over $873,000. But as we said, it's not a perfect world. You may share it with 2. One person may share it with 3. The other person may share it with none. But the beauty of the binary is that it doesn't stop at 7 levels. Do you know you could literally achieve the same goal if you shared it with 2, shared it with 2, shared it with 2, and it kept going level by level by level? See, the bottom line is there is no bottom to a binary. That means as sales continue to come in, what happens to your binary residual or your binary income? It continues to magnify itself. See, most people in this company will tell you that the amount of money that they made just from the binary part of the compensation plan has been nothing short than absolutely phenomenal. You know, a lot of people are saying, you know, this is incredible. I see so many different ways of earning income. And yes, there's another position that we have called a team builder, which means basically if you're an Ad Central Family Plus, you share this with just one more person. You've shared it with 4, you share it with 5, and they're all Ad Central Family Pluses. Ladies and gentlemen, you're now a team builder, and you're going to share in an additional 2% of the entire revenue of the entire company, everything that comes in from the customers, and not just your team. We're talking about worldwide. Can you imagine if you came in this company and you shared it with 5 people? And that's it. They stayed at Central Family Pluses. They didn't really go out and share it with a lot of people. But all of you are at Central Family Pluses. Do you know now that causes you to be entered into a pool where you're sharing in 2% of what the company is building worldwide from its customers? It is absolutely phenomenal. See, I don't know who invited you on this call, but I want to tell you this. There are some things that are going on right now with TelexFREE that's absolutely amazing. We have the Telex Mobile getting ready to launch next month. We have the My Financial Advantage plan that is changing people's lives right now by financially turning their troubles, guys, ladies and gentlemen, they're turning their troubles literally into a thing of the past. We have the app that is spreading virally very, very quickly. We have new products that are getting ready to launch, such as coffee and tea, and we're talking about even brewed coffees. We're talking about a company that is going to have several different products and services, and every time they add a new product and service, guess what? They can text the entire organization, the entire customer base that has the app, letting them know every new product as it comes out. And imagine, as those individuals go and get the product, that now counts as additional customers for you. See, as I said, I don't know who invited you to this call, but they thought enough about you to share with you something that is absolutely a phenomenon that is spreading all across the world. You know, a lot of people in this company became very wealthy in 2013, but they don't have the advantage that you have today. See, most of them earned their income off the company having one product. Now there are several, and this year many, many more products will launch. We now have additional levels of residual income that we weren't getting paid off of before. We now have the ability to virally spread and get customers who will go out and get customers for you. I had one gentleman on the call yesterday. He gave the app to one person, and that person went through his phone and gave the app to 10 of his friends. Now, all 11 of them, none of them are in the business. They're just customers. See, that's the power of what we're dealing with here. We're dealing with a company, ladies and gentlemen, that is geared on the more customers it gets, the more income it can pay all of us. So please get back with the person that got you on this call. Thank them. In fact, let me reword that. Get back with the person that invited you on a call that could literally help you change not only your life, but the life of other people that you are thinking, people that need to earn income, people that want to earn income, people that are sick and tired of being sick and tired. That's what this opportunity is about. That's what this movement is about. And I hope that from the information that I presented to you today, I hope I did a decent enough job that you're also catching the vision of what we see with this phenomenal opportunity called TelexFREE. So please get back in touch with the person that invited you on this call. Get your questions answered. But ladies and gentlemen, get with a company that's spreading an app that is virally going like crazy. And I'll tell you what, if you have an app out there that can sell for $19 billion and you can't make phone calls on it, what do you think this app is going to be worth? And we can do everything that you can do on the other app and call people, not only landlines and cell phones, but also other people that have the app. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure being with each and every one of you on this call today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And what we're going to do is we'll have our training call set up for tomorrow, and that is at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This call was recorded, so if you need to dial in and listen to it, the actual number is 712-432-1085. Once again, 712-432-1085 with the access code of 376560. Once again, 376560. Hey, everybody, make it a great day. This call is officially over, and we'll see you on our next call. Bye for now.